In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tornado chart in Microsoft Excel. A tornado chart is a great way to compare two sets of values side by side, especially when you want to show variation across categories like departments, teams, or business units. In this example, we'll use department, negative budget, and actual values to build the chart in just a few clicks. The key is that one of your data series is already set up as negative, which allows the bars to spread out in opposite directions and create that classic tornado style look. To begin, select the department column, the negative budget column, and the actual column in your worksheet. Make sure you highlight the headers along with the data, because Excel uses those labels to build the chart legend and category axis automatically. Also, double check that you're selecting only the relevant rows so the chart stays clean and easy to read. Once your data is selected, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. This is where you'll find all the chart tools you need. The Insert tab gives you access to different chart types, and for a tornado chart, we'll be using a horizontal bar chart rather than a column chart. That horizontal layout is what helps make comparisons much clearer across departments. Next, click Insert Bar Chart. When the chart options appear, choose the 2D clustered bar chart. As soon as you do that, Excel will generate the visual using your selected data. Because one series contains negative values and the other contains positive values, the bars will extend in opposite directions from the center, creating the tornado chart effect. And that's it. Your tornado chart is now created. If the chart appears a little rough at first, that's completely normal. The main goal here is to generate the chart structure correctly. From there, you can always refine the appearance later by adjusting colors, axis labels, bar spacing, or the chart title to make it more presentation ready. But the essential creation process is simply selecting the correct columns, opening the Insert tab, choosing Insert Bar Chart, and then selecting the 2D clustered bar option. This is a quick and effective way to visualize differences between budgeted and actual values across departments, and it works especially well when you want a clear, balanced comparison on screen. Thanks for watching.